What's up, guys? Troy here. This is the unofficial, not even close to the right parts of Another in the Fire by Hillsong. The song just got released this morning, like really early this morning, and a friend texted to me and I started listening to it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to do this song, and it's amazing. I mean, from the first chorus, so like the last lines of the choruses switch up as you go through. From the first chorus, it says, "And should I ever need reminding of how I've been set free, there is a cross that bears the burden where another died for me." And I don't know what your salvation story is. I'm sure it's amazing. Anyone who's been saved by grace through faith is a walking miracle. And we have Jesus to thank for that. But this world really pulls at us from a lot of different directions and tries to really manipulate us into thinking that, you know, we're not blessed if we don't have money. We're not blessed if we don't have health. We're not blessed if we don't have this or that, any other material thing. And our chief blessing, guys, I say this all the time. I say it on these videos. I say it to my friends. I say it to people I'm trying to witness to. Our chief blessing, our greatest blessing in all the world is Jesus. Is salvation through what Jesus did. That is our greatest blessing. It will always be our greatest blessing. If you have that, you have more than you could ever need. That blessing trumps all others. Anything else is just icing on the cake. So if you have nothing aside from salvation, you have everything. Everything. If you're stumbling on this video and you don't know Jesus, I pray for you. I pray that you open the book of Romans and let it tell you how terrible you are. And then let it tell you how much God loves you anyways. It's an amazing blessing, guys. So anyways, what I did with the guitars in this song, I don't even know. I was just really connecting with the song, having a good time with it, making up some parts, and really just worshiping. And I hope you guys get something out of it. Probably not, to be honest with you, but if you want the pedal board shot and you want the tabs and the breakdown of the tones and the lesson and all that stuff, that's over at GuitarforHISGLORY.com. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this weird, unofficial playthrough of Another in the Fire by Hillsong. See you guys.
Wow.